Hello and welcome to Special Data Hub. In this video, I'm going to show you how to record a tour using Google Earth Pro. So my Google Earth Pro workspace, here I can click record a tour. Okay, first let me turn this off. So on your toolbar here, you'll see record a tour. When you click record a tour, it gives you the option of turning on your microphone if you want to provide a narration for your tour. So you could see anything probably in the land of milk and honey or anything you want to see on the background of the video. Then while here, this button gives you the option of simply going straight to the recording, which is what we'll do. And you can see the timer count on the right here. So the easiest way to record your tours that will make them look beautiful is to double click and it zooms in nicely, and when you are satisfied with the recording of that point, you zoom out. You can easily use this slider too to zoom out and zoom in, and then if you want to click again on probably the next point, we'll double click, and if you want to go further you can click further. You want to go further, you can click further consistently until you are satisfied, and then you zoom out and zoom out and zoom out, just like that. So you can hold down the zoom out button if you want to zoom out from a large location, and then click on it when you are satisfied. So when you are done creating your recording from point to point, of course this can span very large locations, different locations. When you're done creating your recording, you click on stop and it stops your recording. You can rewatch your recording here by playing and pausing and using the slider to skip from minute to minute. You can make this recording into a loop which repeats. Yeah, let's just pause this to not confuse ourselves. And then if you want to save your recording, you click on this diskette icon and then click on save. Give it a name, call it Special Data Hub or Special Record, and then click on OK. So it easily saves to the point where your cursor was. You can save it more than this. You can to export this file, you can right click on it and say save place as, and it saves to a KMZ file. So as a KMZ file, the after file transfer to a different individual, they simply open it and it opens straight on their Google Earth Pro, and they're able to watch how you went from from location to location on your Google Earth Pro. That'll be it for this video. If you haven't seen my playlist on Google Earth Pro and some of its key functionalities, then you're missing out. Check it out and you really like it. And I'll see you in the next video.